And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is another latest HG from Bandai. This time from HGFC or Future Century. You know, the century from Gundam Fight. We have the Dragon Gundam. Yes, this is the Dragon Gundam from Neo China, also a member of the Shuffle Alliance, and he is the Club of Ace. Yes, piloted by Sai Chi, and intends to win the fight in order to restore the Shaolin temples and other stuff like that. So Dragon Gundam from Neo China, and of course in the box art you see here Dragon Gundam standing and also some actions he's doing. And of course, as per the box, this is AP Bandai and monocolored. Off to the side, yeah, this is something new from P Bandai. Well, previously you guys can see, right, Neo Dragon Gundam like that, but now they have some illustrations here and some gimmicks that Neo China is being replicated from the show of Neo China, when the Gundam of Neo China does it. Yeah, you know, the butterfly effect here. Yeah, this is a scene from the anime, and there's a list right now on what it contains. And off to the side, yeah, the standard Dragon Gundam. Now, opening the box, let's see what it has inside. A big box indeed. We have one bag with two sprues, all gray, a sprue with clear yellow, gray, and red, and some stickers. Another bag for multicolored sprue, some green, some white. So shipping damage there. Another another bag with clear green, yellow, and green. Another bag with a stand this time, which is colored in green, clear green plastic. Another bag with sprues of all yellow. And unfortunately, this is a standard P Bandai, so yeah, it has this instruction manual where there is no color and such thing or illustration of the Gundam after being built. And also lastly, it has this PET plastics, you know, the wing for the wing effect, and of course for the Chinese character that appears when it does its super attack. Now let's take a look individually at the sprues. Alright, first off is we have the A1 sprue here. Yeah, the sprue that I indicated has some shipping damage. So it's a multicolored sprue with some red, some white, some clear yellow, and some gray. So parts of the feet are here, legs, the core fighter is here, and some effects. It also has an A2, which some parts is replicated, you know, the clear yellow parts, this red part, and this part here is something new to the sprue for the A2. We also have a B sprue, which is all gray, so most likely this is more of the, the joints, the inner workings and stuff. We also have not one but two C sprues here, so I think this is used for the final attack. Some parts of the body is here, legs, I think arms are here. Yep. We also have a D1, which contains yellow color parts of the Gundam, and it also has a D2, which some parts of it are replicated, yeah, that part over there. Yep. And we have an E1 sprue, the green armor parts. Yep. And also an E2, more of that green armor parts there. And lastly, we have the F sprue, which is a clear green color for the Gundam. And of course, let's not forget that it has a stand, so in clear green, this one here, and lastly this one here. Yeah, there you go. Of course, it has a sticker sheet, but just only a small one. That's what's great about some P Bandai kits. You know, the color separation is already there, so just little color correction is needed. And let's not forget the PET plastic for the effects for its final attack. Yep. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the P Bandai Neo China Dragon Gundam from HGFC. One of the Shuffle Alliance members, the Club of Ace, Sai. And this is me saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, commenting, hitting the subscribe button, and until next time, see you and thank you.